If you're a crazy dog mom like me, then you have to make these pumpkin waffles for dogs. Start by mashing up 1 large banana into a mixing bowl. Next, add in 113 grams of pumpkin puree and 32 grams of peanut butter. Let your dog get some peanut butter licks if they're helping you in the kitchen. Be sure to use organic peanut butter with only peanuts or peanuts and salt as the only 2 ingredients. A little bit of salt is okay for your dog when getting peanut butter, but don't use peanut butter with any other added ingredients. Add in 1/2 cup of coconut milk and 75 grams of melted coconut oil. Next, add in 15 grams of raw honey. I like to measure this right into the bowl for the most accurate results. Then add in 1 large egg. Mix together with a spatula to combine the wet ingredients. Last, add in 127 grams of all-purpose flour, 28 grams of oat flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix together with a spatula until a thick batter forms. Preheat your waffle iron. I like to use setting 3 or 4 on my Cuisinart waffle iron that I'll link in the description. Measure 1/3 cup of batter into the middle of the waffle iron and cook until they are golden brown. Continue to do this until all the batter is gone. You can serve these homemade pumpkin waffles for dogs plain as treats, or you can add fresh fruit on top like apples, strawberries, blueberries, or any other dog-friendly fruit that your dog likes. You can even drizzle them with a little bit of peanut butter. But be sure to break up waffles into small pieces if you have a smaller dog like John John. If you want more homemade dog food and treat recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.